show you how to clean up your keyboard inside out. So keep watching. These are the few tools you will need to clean up your keyboard. 1. Isopropyl alcohol. You can substitute isopropyl alcohol with the household glass cleaner. Number 2. Spare brush. Number 3. A screwdriver. And number 4. A cloth. The keyboard which I am using for this demonstration is the Logitech Internet Pro keyboard. This keyboard is very famous among the geeks of India. I have already cleaned the third row of my keyboard inside out, and as you can see, the third row is looking much cleaner as compared to the rest of the keys. Now I'm going to show you how to remove the keys. You will need a screwdriver. The key will just pop out, and you can see the dust, so many dust. I have cleaned the third, fourth and fifth row of this keyboard. Use the same procedure to clean other keys of your keyboard. And if you find this video useful, rate this video, comment and subscribe. This is Evewin signing out. See ya.